Guys, I would like to use this example to show you one more thing, and it's about the strip function. What does it mean? Here we have a lower, right? So it's a way how to control the input. Lower means that everything in front of will be transferred to lower cases. It means every input or every letter will be lower. Okay, but usually we use with lower the strip as well. So what does it mean? So for example, I will comment it out. So for example, if you have a first name, and I will write there my first name, David, and I will print the first name. Okay. So now this is our code. I will run it, and you can see we have a David here. No surprise. But if I would put here some spaces and run it, again you can see David, but the spaces are here. We can't see them, but they are there. So if I will write something like this, plus and some letter, it doesn't matter which, so I will run it, you can see it's David, spaces and X, because the first name is still David and some spaces. Okay, so it means if you would like to erase the spaces, because it can be some mistake, right? Usually people write like one space, for example, and it can be a problem with our code. So you can use the strip. So it means you write a dot, strip and brackets. So it means take this and strip it, like erase the spaces. So I will run it, and you can see no spaces. Okay, so it takes the spaces and erase them. If you put here some spaces as well, okay, run it, you can see the spaces in front of the string or in front of the David are erased as well. Okay, so it will erase the spaces after the text and before it. Okay, so, and this is very important. Why? Because I will comment it out, clear it, because here in our situation, in our exercise, we had a lower, right? But what happened if you run it? Your age will be 22. Do you have a ticket? And you will write yes and space. Okay, are you on the VIP list? And we will write no. So sorry, you cannot enter because here is yes and space. So it means here is yes and space. And here, if you evaluate this, yes and space is equal to yes. It's not true, right? But we need to be true because it's yes, but it is yes with space, and it's a problem. So we usually use lower and strip as well. Okay, if it is a string, there is no sense to use it with numbers like integer or float. Strip is only for string. So we will strip it as well. So make a lowercase and strip it. Make a lowercase and strip it. So now, if we will try it again. So age 22. Do you have a ticket? Yes, with space. Okay. Are you on the VIP list? No. It works. But before it doesn't work, right? Or didn't work, right? Because here is yes and space. So, but here, yes and space, we will strip it. And so it means the space will be erased. And in has ticket is only yes. And we can here evaluate this if it is okay or not. I hope it makes sense. So usually if you write or if you ask user about some string value, you use lower and strip. So after that it's easier to evaluate these options in the condition statement or in if and else statement. I hope it makes sense.